Why did the giraffe bring a ladder to the zoo? Because it heard the food was up high on the menu. Get ready to explore the wild wonders of the animal kingdom. In today's episode, we're diving into two distinct characters ruled the savannah, the zany zebras and the giddy giraffes. Prepare yourself for a tale of stripes and stretch, a comedy of comparisons, and a barrel of laughs. Chapter 1, Meet the Stars. In one corner, we have the zebras, nature's fashion enthusiasts with a penchant for stripes. Their attire screamed, black tie affair, but don't let the seriousness fool you. These zebras were the life of the savannah's party. Always decked out in monochrome, they were ready for any event, be it a predator's ambush or a dance-off under the moon. On the other side of the savannah, standing tall, literally, were the giddy giraffes. With necks reaching heights that made tree leaves shake in their boots, these gentle giants were the ultimate reach for the stars enthusiasts. Just imagine a community of individuals who never needed a ladder to change a light bulb. Chapter 2, The Great Stripes Debate. The zebras were convinced their stripes were nature's greatest fashion statement. We're like optical illusions, they'd say. Predators can't figure out where one zebra ends and the next begins. Their stripes were the savannah's high-speed highway code, ensuring that no predator could unravel their organized chaos. The giraffes, though, had their own thoughts. Stripes are so yesterday, they'd snicker. Our long necks are the real fashion revolution. Who needs stripes when you can literally see over everyone's heads? The giraffes would compete to see who could spot the most interesting cloud shapes or the latest gossip from afar. Chapter 3, Tales of Togetherness. When it came to social gatherings, the zebras were all about unity in diversity. Dazzles, they called themselves, with members from all walks, all gallops, of life. The more, the merrier, whether it was sharing juicy grassland gossip or playing zany zebra games like hide and stripe. The giraffes, however, took socializing to new heights, pun intended. With their necks that seemed to stretch forever, they'd boast, our conversations are elevated, quite literally. They'd exchange pleasantries with fellow giraffes while nibbling leaves, sharing secrets that only the treetops could overhear. Chapter 4, Menu Mischief. The diet debates. Zebras, ever the connoisseurs of greenery, would trot up to bushes and declare, aha, culinary excellence. But their choices led to bellyaches as they experimented with leaves that were anything but delectable. Meanwhile, the giraffes towered above, munching on the elite menu of the treetops. We don't do belly flops, they'd quip. Only neck stretchies. They'd indulge in the finest arboreal cuisine, dining with an air of sophistication even though they occasionally tangled their tongues in their quest for the tastiest leaves. Chapter 5, Predatory Escapades. The zany zebras had a knack for baffling their predators with their stripy antics. Who's who, they'd chant, zipping around like a monochrome merry-go-round, leaving lions and hyenas dizzy in their wake. Predators would give up in frustration, admitting that zebras were the savannah's resident puzzle. Giddy giraffes, on the other hand, practiced their swift escapes. Who needs a taxi when you've got legs this long, they tease as they galloped away from predators. Lions would shake their heads in admiration, acknowledging that chasing a giraffe was like trying to catch a tornado with a butterfly net. Chapter 6, The Grand Comedy of Coexistence. As the sun set on the savannah, a delightful harmony emerged between the zebras and the giraffes. Their quirky differences turned out to be the source of endless amusement and camaraderie. Zebras would paint their stripes in colors borrowed from the sunset, while giraffes would balance acorns on their horns, claiming they were antennas for outer space gossip. In the end, these two remarkable species showed the world that embracing uniqueness and celebrating quirks can create bonds as strong as the African Sunday. So, if you ever find yourself on a savannah safari, keep an eye out for the zany zebras and the giddy giraffes. They are bound to bring a barrel of laughs and a whole lot of wild wonder to your adventure. Let's move to our new topic, bears and deers. With their immense strength, keen senses, and unique behaviors, bears hold a crucial role in the delicate balance of their ecosystems. 1. Diverse species and habitats. Bears belong to the family Ursidae and encompass several species, including the grizzly bear, polar bear, black bear, and giant panda. Their habitats range from Arctic ice sheets to dense forests, grasslands, and mountainous regions. 2. Adaptations for survival. Bears boast a wide array of physical adaptations, from their powerful limbs and sharp claws to their keen sense of smell. Hibernation is a remarkable strategy employed by many bear species to survive harsh winters, conserving energy and enduring scarcity. 3. Ecological impact. Bears play a crucial role as apex predators, regulating prey populations and maintaining the health of ecosystems. Their foraging habits, particularly in search of berries and insects, contribute to seed dispersal and plant growth. 4. Human-bear interactions. Human activities and habitat encroachment often lead to conflicts between bears and people, impacting both species. Conservation efforts aim to mitigate these conflicts, emphasizing coexistence and preserving vital bear habitats. Deer, graceful denizens of the woodlands. Deer, with their elegance and grace, are emblematic of woodlands and open meadows. These herbivores have a global presence, with various species inhabiting diverse ecosystems. Their presence contributes to the intricate tapestry of wildlife, shaping plant communities and impacting the lives of both predators and humans. 1. Species diversity and habitats. Deer belong to the family Cervidae, with species like white-tailed deer, mule deer, red deer, and elk found in different regions. They inhabit forests, grasslands, savannas, and even semi-urban areas, demonstrating remarkable adaptability. 2. Feeding and foraging. Deer are primarily herbivores, consuming a varied diet of leaves, twigs, grasses, fruits, and nuts. Their browsing behavior can influence plant growth and distribution, shaping ecosystems. 3. Reproduction and behavior. The rutting season showcases the spectacular courtship and competition among male deer for mates. Antlers, unique to males in most species, play a role in both defense and mate attraction. 4. Ecological significance. Deer's grazing and browsing behavior can impact plant species composition, leading to changes in vegetation structure. They serve as a crucial prey base for carnivores like wolves and mountain lions, contributing to trophic interactions. 5. Human-deer interactions. Deer often encounter human landscapes, leading to issues like crop damage, vehicle collisions, and Lyme disease transmission. Conservation efforts focus on sustainable management to balance deer populations and mitigate conflicts. Interactions between bears and deer. 1. Predator-prey dynamics. Bears, especially grizzly bears and black bears, can prey on deer when the opportunity arises. This interaction contributes to the complex web of predator-prey relationships in their shared ecosystems. 2. Foraging overlap. Both bears and deer may share similar foraging areas, especially in habitats rich in vegetation and food sources. Deer's browsing activities may indirectly impact plant availability for bears, influencing their foraging patterns. In the intricate world of nature, bears and deer stand as charismatic representatives of wilderness. Their behaviors, interactions, and ecological roles underscore the delicate dance of life within their respective habitats, revealing the fascinating connections that shape our natural world.